Hi, Amp Up. This is Pie Baby. I heard that big fat red sent you a video saying bad things about me. That I bit him, and that I run real fast, and that I came out of a test tube or something. Well, I think maybe he came out of an outfit, he's so fat. This is him behind me right now. He's sleeping. He's always sleeping because he's so fat and he's tired. Makes me sick half the time. And I'm gonna bite him again and again because he needs to get some exercise. He's so fat. So, if he's sending you bad things about me, you let me know. Because he can't say bad things behind my back. I'll find out. And you let me know. This is Pie Baby. Goodbye for